Ekta breaking aro shaking khobor pai thake asapti West Bengal jail phitorti jailers mati khan jail phitorte pregnant hoi jaina jail phitorte bacha pa karni 196 jon choto bacha khan alag alag facilities te thakya khobor pai loi ase itu karni Supreme Court khan tu issue authority details report logina submit kurbole High Court khan ke directed di thakya khobor pai loi ase Supreme Court khan itu assist kuri thakya tu Thursday din Kolkata High Court khan tu order digina overcrowded hoi jaina kunba mati khan jail phitorte pregnant hoi ja issue authority claim kuri dia karni bench of Justice Sanjay Kumar aro Amnullah dujon tu senior advocate Gaurav Agrawal opor issue sagina report submit kurbole directed dishe ko ase Next khobote aro province of Southern Philippine Bosti ekta ti itu hapta landslide issue ti Murija 27 jon hoi jaina 87 jon ajitak ti missing hoi jaina authorities khan operation continue kri thakya khobor pai loi ase Meko municipal government khan la statement ti duste rati mining site Meko town phitorti landslide ulai jaina duita bus gari aro alag alag gor property bishi phangai digina 32 jon rescue kulose hulipi ita takti 89 jon missing thakya ase kogina report dia ase Institute of Chin Affairs ICA khan tu international organization khan ki Myanmar junta khan ke action uthabole koi dia ase kili since 2021 bra logina ajitakti military rule ahija karni 618 ethnic Chin manu khan ke murai da issue karni ICA khan tu appeal kurgena awas uthai dibole koi dia ase Institute of Chin Affairs Assistant Director Salai Van laga report ti hatsa laga report aro incident report khan sob kale kurgena international organization khan ki pathai dishe ko ase aro ICA khan tu international organization UN milaina practical action nalo atakti pressure uthai thakibo kogena koi dia ase ICA khan la report ti Chin manu khan tu alag alag rasta te murai digina thakya ko ase kunpa junta troops khan laga red operation act as human shield jail phitor landmine air strike inikate murai dishe hulipi medical attention nalogena duk pai thakya koi dia ase aro out of 618 jon murai digina thakya macheti 502 male 72 female aro 44 jon minor bacha khan thakya koi dia ase Manipur State Social Welfare Department khan la report ti school bacha khan Sri Swami Narayan English Medium School Nasik ti free education dibole promise kurgena loija mara mari bishi hoja report karni rescue kurloise kogena report dia ase poila na hoile ajikali teachers kun holipi stick thorgena class phitorte nashika hoja sheulipi kwa nishna school bacha khan tu ja sal December moina bra free education dibo kogena loija parents khan punishment aro mistreatment children protection law violate hoja issue ti report dia hisab social welfare khan tu bacha khan 5 jon rescue kuloise koi dia ase